sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase?
I'm
To just
Mitoko.
bite our
Welcome back to our lesson Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about comparing perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Before we go to the main topic, let us review the material last meeting. Can you find the answer? Find the area of each figure below. Number 1. Number 2. The answer, we are going to count the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 2. There are 4 halves. Remember, 2 halves equals 1 square meter. Area equals 12 square meters. Number 2, 1, 2. And there are 4 halves. Halves. So, equals 2 square units plus 2 square units. 2 comes from this, and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There are 4 halves. We have reviewed the material last meeting. Now, pay attention, get focused. We are going to learn about comparing perimeter and area of squares and rectangles. Comparing perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance or length around a figure. Area is the amount of shape taken up by the figure. Example 1. Look at the rectangle below. This rectangle is drawn on a 1 square centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8 centimeter. Next, area, 1 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter, and 1 square centimeter equals 3 square centimeters. Example 2. This figure is made up of 1 square centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of the figure. Perimeter of the figure, 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 3 equals 20 centimeter. Area of the figure. Area of the figure, we need to count the number of 1 square centimeter. 1 plus 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 1 until plus 1 square centimeter. So there are 17 square centimeter. Two-dimension shapes. Two-dimension shapes are shapes that have two dimensions, which are length and breadth, with no thickness or depth. Do you know the types of two-dimension shapes? Here are the types of two-dimension shape. Let's we mention one by one. This is rectangle. It has length and breadth. Square. It has 4 equal sides. Means the length and the breadth are equal. So we can write length, and this is also can be length. Example, if this 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Next, continue. Triangle, rhombus, circle, trapezoid, parallelogram, pentagon, heart, ellipse. In this case, we are going to learn about rectangle and square. Area of squares and rectangle. Area of squares. Example, A, B, C, D. We can see this one and this, the square B, length 2, breadth also 2. The C, length equals 3, breadth also 3. And the D, length 4, breadth also 4. Square is a two-dimension shape. It has 4 equal sides with the equal length. We can see if this is 4, this is also 4, 4 and 4. If this is 3, 3, 3, 3. This is 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 1. These squares are made up of 1 square centimeter. Each one square centimeter has an area of 1 square centimeter. A, 1 square centimeter. B, 4 square centimeter. C, 9 square centimeter. And the D, 16 square centimeter. This is the area by counting the number of 1 square centimeter. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 equals 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is counting the number of 1 square centimeter. Length, length. Figure. Just now, figure A, 1 square centimeter. B, 4 square centimeter. C, 9 square centimeter. D, 16 square centimeter. That's for area by counting. If the length 1, breadth also 1. Length 2, breadth also 2. 3, 3 also. So area by length and breadth equals 9 times 1 times 1. How can we find the area of the square using the length and the breadth? Area of square, length of side times length of side. 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3, 9, 4 times 4, 16. Area of rectangles. Look at the figures below. A, B, C, D. Rectangle is a two-dimension shape. It has two pairs of parallel sides with equal length. These rectangles are made up of 1 square centimeter. Two pairs of parallel sides means parallel with this and breadth it parallel to this. So A 2 square centimeter. We count the number of 1 square centimeter. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So area by counting the number of 1 square centimeter, we got this. Remember, rectangle has length and breadth. Figure ABCD, area by counting 2, 3, 6, 12. As we know, the length is 2 and the breadth is 1. 3 and the breadth all is 1. And the breadth is 3. The length is 3. Breadth is 2. Length is 4. Breadth is 3. How can we find the area of rectangle using the length and breadth? Of course, by using this, we can find 2, 3, 6, 12 comes from 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 4 times 3. So, 2, 3, 6, 12. Example 1. What is the area of each figure below? Answer. A. This is rectangle. Remember, it has two pairs of parallel sides and each of them is equal. So 7 here, of course in this also 7. Length times breadth. 7 times 3 equals 21 square centimeter. 4 times 4 equals 16. 9 times 9 equals 81. Example 2. The length of a square field is 7 meter. The area square. So it has 4 equal sides. How to find the area? Length times length equals 49 square meters. Example 3. The breadth of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 9 centimeter. The breadth is the cardboard is 12 centimeters shorter than its length. What is the area of the cardboard? 9 is the breadth. We are going to find the length first before we find the area. Remember, the length, the breadth of the cardboard is 12 short. It means length is 9 plus 12 equals 21 centimeter. After we found the length, now we can find the area. The area is length times breadth. 21 times 9 equals 189. Exercise. answer these questions correctly. Conclusion. Today we have learned about comparing area and perimeter, area of squares and rectangle, word problems of perimeter and area. That's all about the material that we have learned today. Do the exercise. Review anytime. Thank you, my students, and Ami Tofik.